This is the most annoying coding question that appears at every single company. So given an array of integers, rotate the array to the right by k steps, where k is non-negative. Let's say we're given this array and k is equal to 3, we rotate the array once, twice, and then 3 times. Let's go over the thought process. For each of the index inside the array, we can calculate the final index after the rotation with the following formula, which is the current index plus the number of steps modulus by the number of elements. Let's say our index is 4, we use the formula 4 plus 3 modulus 7, the final index after rotation is 0. Let's first go over the brute force approach. We can create a new array and then use the formula to move all the elements from the old array to the new array. Let's look for a more optimized approach. Let's say we're currently moving the value 1, its final position contains the value 4. Before we move the element over, we can save the value 4 and then move 1 over. We can repeat the process from the current index until all elements are rotated. Let's implement the function rotate, taking the input array and k, create our starting index, the number of elements rotated, and the length of the input array. While we have not yet rotated all the elements, create 2 variables to keep track of the current index and elements. Perform a do while loop while the starting index is not equal to the current index. Calculate the next index, save the next elements, move our elements over, update index, and then increment rotated. Then we can move on to the next starting index.